Hey guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Kroger and their ingredients are fresher than fresh. It's fall and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute mini rose apple pies. They're perfect for hosting and sharing with your friends and family. I have a Honey Crisp apple here and a mandolin. We're going to make thin slices. You're gonna need thin slices like this. We have our apples. I'm gonna cut it in half. Them to a bowl. Have half a lemon and we're gonna squeeze the lemon juice right on top. Microwave this for 3 minutes. I just got this out of the microwave. I'm gonna drain the water. We're gonna dust some flour on your workspace. I have puff pastry here. I thawed this for about 20 to 30 minutes and we're gonna roll it. I'm using orange marmalade and hazelnut spread for the filling. You can use any fruit preserves or jams that you like. I have some orange marmalade and I'm gonna add a thin layer to the puff pastry dough. You wanna try to keep the filling in the middle of the dough, not too close to the edges or it'll spill out. I'm just using the back of the spoon to smooth it out. We put these in the microwave so they're a lot more pliable to work with. Now I'm gonna add them to the top of our puff pastry dough. They're gonna go halfway on the dough and halfway off. And we're gonna interlace them like this or overlap them. Like this, and then we're gonna fold the puff pastry down halfway, and from the edge we're going to roll it up slowly. And then it's a rose. I'm using a cupcake tin to add our mini rose apple pies in here, and I just dusted it with flour. I'm using this hazelnut spread with cocoa and adding a thin layer to our puff pastry dough. Okay, and again, we're going to add our apple slices right on top. This one I'm gonna dust a little bit of cinnamon. Fold it in half. You wanna gently press it down too so it holds the apples in. And I'm rolling. So cute. Bake at 375 for 45 minutes. And they're done. Let them cool for a few minutes. Ta-da! So easy and so yummy. Let's try it. I'm gonna try the hazelnut spread one.
So good, Mom.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Sully Jessica everywhere else. I will see you guys next time. Bye.